Electric vehicles are exploding in popularity across the U.S., with over 3.3 million EVs now on American roads. But here is what nobody tells new owners. EVs don't fail suddenly, they fail silently. There is no smoke, no breakdown, no warning light at first. The real damage happens quietly, deep inside the battery, and most of it starts within the first 12 to 36 months of ownership. Consumer Reports shows that EV repairs can cost up to 40% more than gas cars once warranties expire. In this video, we are exposing the most dangerous things you should never do with your EV, mistakes even dealerships won't warn you about. Stick until the end if you want your EV to stay fast, efficient, and expensive repair-free. Let's get started. Number 1. Never charge your EV to 100% every single day. Charging to 100% feels smart, but U.S. battery data shows it is one of the fastest ways to shorten EV battery life. According to Idaho National Laboratory testing, lithium-ion batteries degrade up to 35% faster when consistently charged to full capacity. When an EV battery stays near 100%, internal chemical stress increases, accelerating degradation at a microscopic level. Studies show EV batteries kept between 20% and 80% can last up to 40% longer than those constantly charged to full. Many owners unknowingly destroy their battery health within the first 3 years just by daily overcharging. That's why manufacturers secretly recommend daily charging limits around 80 to 90%, even though they don't explain it clearly at delivery. Charging to 100% should be reserved for long trips only, not daily commuting. Number 2. Never let your EV battery drop to 0%. Repeatedly running your EV down to zero feels harmless because the car still protects itself. But repeated deep discharges are one of the fastest ways to shorten battery life. U.S. EV reliability studies show batteries that regularly drop below 10% lose up to 15 to 20% usable capacity within 5 years. When a lithium battery reaches extremely low states, internal voltage imbalance begins to form between cells. EVs that are regularly drained below 10% can lose up to 15% of their range in just a few years. Worst of all, deep discharge damage is often irreversible and not covered under warranty if abuse patterns are detected. Treat your EV battery like a smartphone. Don't live at zero. Number 3. Never ignore battery cooling and thermal warnings. Heat is the silent killer of EV batteries, and many Americans underestimate how dangerous it is. If your EV throws a battery temperature warning and you keep driving, you are gambling with thousands of dollars. According to the U.S. National Renewable Energy Laboratory, battery degradation doubles for every 15 degrees Fahrenheit increase above optimal temperature. Excess heat accelerates chemical breakdown, reduces charging speed permanently, and can even warp internal battery cells. Parking in direct sunlight every day without thermal management can raise battery temperature beyond safe limits, especially in hot climates. Many early EV battery failures are linked to poor heat control, not mileage. If your EV has a battery cooling system, it is not optional, it is survival equipment. Number 4. Never rely only on fast charging. Fast charging is convenient, but relying on it daily is one of the most expensive EV habits in America. U.S. fleet data shows EVs that fast charge more than 3 times per week experience up to 30% faster battery degradation. Fast chargers push extremely high current into battery cells, creating intense heat that stresses internal chemistry. While modern EVs have protection systems, those systems can't eliminate long-term damage. U.S. fleet data shows rideshare EVs that fast charge daily often show noticeable range loss before 60,000 miles. Level 2 home charging delivers power slowly and evenly. Fast chargers should be used strategically, not as a replacement for home charging. Number 5. Never ignore software updates. Skipping EV software updates is one of the most misunderstood and dangerous mistakes American owners make. Unlike gas cars, EV performance, charging speed, and battery protection are controlled almost entirely by software. Consumer Reports found that EVs running outdated software have higher rates of charging errors and thermal mismanagement. Many U.S. automakers release updates that adjust battery cooling thresholds, optimize charging curves, and reduce long-term degradation. Some updates have even restored up to 5% lost range by recalibrating battery management systems. In an EV, outdated software doesn't just cause glitches, it causes physical battery damage over time. Number 6. Never assume EVs don't need maintenance. One of the most damaging myths in the US is that EVs are maintenance-free, and Consumer Reports says this belief is costing owners thousands after warranty expiration. While EVs don't require oil changes, they still depend heavily on battery coolant, brake fluid, suspension components. According to U.S. service data, EV owners delay routine inspections 30 to 40% longer than gas car owners that lead to hidden failures. Regenerative braking reduces pad wear, but it increases the risk of rusted rotors and seized calipers, especially in northern states. Battery coolant neglect has been linked to catastrophic pack failures. It is true that EVs need fewer services, but it doesn't mean that they don't need services. Ignoring maintenance turns small issues into 5-figure repair bills. Number 7. Never drive aggressively in cold conditions without preconditioning. Cold weather is an EV battery's worst enemy, and aggressive driving before the battery warms up causes instant damage. According to AAA testing, EV range can drop up to 41% in winter conditions without proper battery warming. Cold lithium-ion cells have higher internal resistance, meaning aggressive acceleration stresses the battery and power electronics. That's why EVs offer preconditioning features to gently warm the battery before driving. U.S. fleet studies show EVs that regularly precondition their batteries retain 10 to 20% better winter efficiency over time. Drivers who skip this feature experience slower charging speeds and faster degradation in cold climates. Preconditioning isn't about comfort, it is battery survival. That's all for this video. Electric vehicles are incredible machines, but they are unforgiving to bad habits. If you avoid these habits, your EV can last hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal degradation. If this video saved you money or future headaches, subscribe to the channel to fuel up the confidence and hit the like button. See you in the next video.